The quality is very premium, guys. So this is the underbelly part and it states GPR exhaust system over here. I have installed the new Ghost exhaust and here it is. This is an underbelly exhaust which ends over here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what have I got. This is a GPR Ghost Inox exhaust. So as you guys know, previously I installed the GPR GPE titanium full system exhaust on my RS457, and now GPR and the Motopoto store, they have sent me this GPR Ghost Inox exhaust, and this is a underbelly exhaust, a full system exhaust for the RS457. And I know many of you guys kept requesting videos for the GPR Ghost exhaust, and finally here it is. And this costs 70,990 rupees, and even this video is in collaboration with GPR exhaust system. And in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing, installation, and it's going to be a DIY video. This time I decided to install it myself, and hence I am going to install and show you the entire procedure. And I am super excited to install this exhaust on my RS457. So you don't want to miss any part of this video, and hence let's get started with the video. Let's go ahead and unbox this exhaust. This is the entire box, and there are various informations mentioned on this box. Here it says, here's your new favorite exhaust system, and let me show you the details also. On this it says Aprilia RS457 2024-2025, and Motopoto LLP is the official importer of this exhaust in India, and the price is mentioned over here. It is 70,990, and the model is GPR Ghost Inox. So let's unbox it. There were a couple of pins over here. I just removed it because I wanted to see what all things are there. I'm going to unbox it in front of you. First we have the bend pipes. So two separate pipes and one 2-in-1 pipe. We'll see this later. And apart from that, we have a instruction manual, and this is the main underbelly exhaust. It's a nice bubble wrap packing. Let me remove it and see how does it look. The quality is very premium, guys. So this is the underbelly part, and it states GPR exhaust system over here, and there is a tag to it which says Aprilia RS457, and it fits for 2024 and 2025 model. And this over here also you can see it clearly states for racing use only. And this is the DB killer. So you can see the pin over here. We can use the clamp, we can remove this clamp, and this entire part will be removed. So once the DB killer is removed, the sound will be very loud. So yeah, this is about it. And we also have a couple of attachments, a few springs and 2 spring covers, and they also gave a GPR exhaust system logo. This is a metallic logo which has a tape to it. So if I remove it, I can stick it anywhere I want. But on the exhaust, it's already there, so no need to paste it on the exhaust. The quality is very good, guys. So this is not a titanium exhaust. This is made of 304 grade stainless steel. And let's see the bend pipes. So these are the bend pipes. So this will go into the exhaust manifold of the cylinder head, and then it will attach it over here like this. Let me install and show it to you guys. So this is how the bend pipe will look like, and then finally it will be attached to the main exhaust like this. So this is the complete exhaust, and this is how it will look like. So this is the underbelly exhaust. The previous exhaust I had was a side slung exhaust. It had an attachment to it. So this exhaust also is same, but only thing is that the slip-on is not present over here, but the cost of both the exhaust is same. Let me measure the weight of this full system exhaust. So here is my weighing scale, and you can see it shows 00. Let's attach it and let's see how much it weighs. This full system exhaust, it weighs around 2.8 kgs. That is like good 3 kgs lower than the stock exhaust. If you haven't seen my previous video, I had clearly shown the stock exhaust weighed 5.8 kgs. So the stock exhaust weighs 5.86 kgs and this exhaust weighs just 2.8 kgs. The GPR titanium full system exhaust, the current exhaust which I have on my bike, that exhaust weighs 4.4 kgs. And let's see how much it weighs. It says 4.39, approx 4.4 kgs is the weight of this full system exhaust. This is even 1.6 kgs lesser than that. This is like less than half of the weight of the stock exhaust of RS457. Here I am with my RS457 and I'm going to do the installation of the GPR Ghost exhaust now. And this is the GPR titanium full system exhaust which I installed last month. It's been around 1 month and I had done 2000 kilometers with this exhaust, and now it's time to remove this exhaust and go for underbelly Ghost exhaust. So I'm gonna remove the fairing. I have already shown all these steps, how to remove the fairings and all, the video in which I installed the frame sliders. If you want to know how to remove the fairing, you can watch that video. I'll put it in the description section down below. So I'll remove both the side fairings and then I will see you again while removing this exhaust. I have installed the new Ghost exhaust and here it is. This is an underbelly exhaust which ends over here, and you can see that all the mountings have been done. It is just that I have to mount the bottom fairing of this bike. I have not mounted it right now because I wanted to shoot this cold start of this bike. And please note that it has the DB killer. You can see the clip over here. So I'm going to give it a rev. I'm going to start this bike and you're going to hear the exhaust note of this GPR full system Ghost Inox with the DB killer, and after that I'll remove the DB killer and then I will show you how the exhaust note sounds like. And please use your earphones because without the earphones the phone speaker or the TV speaker will not do justice. Even after using the headphones, the mic is not able to capture the raw sound of this exhaust. So and let me show you the old exhausts. So this is my old GPR exhaust. So these are the bent pipes, underbelly and the slip-on part, and this is the stock exhaust. This weighs a whooping 5.8 kgs, so it's a lot heavier, whereas the underbelly exhaust, the Ghost Inox, it weighs only 2.8 kgs, which is good 3 kgs less than the stock exhaust. So let's give it a crank. And as of now I have installed this exhaust. I will use it, and I think whatever I like I will use that permanently, or if you guys want me to shift the exhaust I can do that, because I have both the exhaust now, the side slung exhaust as well as the underbelly exhaust, and both are full system from GPR. Switching on. Are you guys excited? I am super excited, guys, and don't forget to put your headphones on. The noise cancellation in my mic is off and the DB killer is installed. This is how it sounds at idle. The bike is already warm, so I'm going to give it a rev. Even with the DB killer, it's very bassy. I'm sure the mic is not at all doing the justice, guys. Now I'm going to remove the DB killer. So it's the same process. Just need to use this plier and hold it, then remove it. So this is how the DB killer is removed, and it's very hot. This is the DB killer of the GPR Ghost exhaust. It looks like this, and the clamp is right over here. And now you can see inside it's completely hollow. Now let's start and see how is the sound like. I am super excited, guys. Now that the DB killer is removed, let me give it a crank. It's very bassy, guys. Very bassy, and it is very loud. I'm sure the mic is not at all doing the justice. You have to hear this in person. No mic can capture this bass. Let me give it a rev. It's very loud, guys. It's very loud. I'm sure the mic is not at all doing the justice.
it is super loud. 70,000 is well spent on this exhaust. So the installation is done, and I took it out on this outer ring road service lane, and boy oh boy, the exhaust sounds awesome. And right now I have removed the DV killer, and because this video is already too long, you guys will see the running shots with this exhaust and also the flybys in the next video. And it's time to end this video now. And if you are liking the content that I'm making, please hit that subscribe button. It is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. And if you want to purchase the GPR Ghost exhaust or the GPR Titanium full system exhaust, you can go to the Motopoto store and purchase it over there. They are the official importer of this GPR exhaust in India. And if you want a discount on this exhaust, you can reach out to me on Instagram. I will get you a crazy discount. And yeah, with that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.